They say every space holds a story, but some stories are heavier than others. This room, lost to time, was a chapter of neglect. Shattered furniture lay strewn across the floor, and the walls bore the deep scars of abandonment. A thick layer of dust coated every surface, a grim blanket over what once was. The air was cold and still, heavy with the silence of decay. It wasn't just a mess, it was a forgotten space, a hollow shell waiting for a new beginning. But even in the deepest shadows, a flicker of hope can ignite. Our team arrived, ready to face the challenge. With safety gear on and determination in their eyes, they stepped into the gloom. The first act was simple but transformative, opening the windows. As sunlight pierced through the darkness, it illuminated floating dust particles, signaling the start of a profound change. The air began to circulate, carrying away the staleness of years gone by. The real work began with a meticulous and systematic cleanup. Every piece of debris was removed by hand, and broken furniture was carried out, revealing the room's true dimensions. Brooms swept away layers of grime, clearing the way for the next phase. It was a slow, deliberate process, a testament to the belief that every surface, no matter how damaged, deserved a second chance. The room was being stripped down to its core, preparing for its rebirth. With the canvas cleared, our attention turned to the foundation. The concrete floor, rough and uneven, needed to be perfected. Grinding machines roared to life, their diamond-tipped pads biting into the surface. Sparks flew and clouds of dust billowed as our crew expertly leveled the concrete, their movements precise and powerful. This wasn't just preparation. It was sculpting the very ground upon which the new room would stand. Once the grinding was complete, a smoother surface emerged. The team carefully inspected every inch before applying a crucial base coat. Rollers glided across the floor, laying down the primer that would bond with the epoxy. The lighting in the room grew brighter, reflecting off the newly prepared floor. The atmosphere was no longer one of decay, but of clean, focused creation, a space poised for its final, stunning transformation.